Hello and welcome. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video, we are discussing some of the technology updates. So the first update. Vivo V40 and V40 Pro launch date announced. Jio Bharat J1 4G with 2.8-inch display and pre-installed JioPay and JioTV launched. So Jio Bharat J1 4G with 2.8-inch display, pre-installed JioPay and JioTV launched. Infinix Note 40X 5G price range key specifications revealed ahead of launch. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 tipped to offer major upgrade in GPU power efficiency but marginal CPU gains. RBI sees CBDC as means to internationalize Indian rupee and improve cross-border transactions. Rollme R3 Smart Ring with PPG sensor and 10-day battery life launched. Specifications and price. So Rollme R3 Smart Ring with PPG sensor and 10-day battery life launched. Huawei Nova Flip launch set for August 5. Teasers reveal square cover screen, dual cameras and more. Jio Games announces integration with Google's Game Snacks and brings HTML5 tiles on Android and Jio set-top boxes. Jio Bharat J1 4G with 2.8-inch display, pre-installed JioPay and JioTV launched. Nothing Phone 2A Plus camera details revealed ahead of July 31 launch. Oppo K12X 5G with MIL STD810H rating debuts. Jio Bharat J1 4G with 2.8-inch display and pre-installed JioPay and JioTV launched. Then Vivo V40 Pro launch date set for August 7. So these are some of the technology updates, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.